welcome back our viewers. So we are back with session 2. So just a brief recap. We had the first session whereby they told us more about e-learning. They gave us a definition of e-learning and the importance of learning. So this is our second session where we are going to talk about what are the tools and techniques for one to be able to carry out e-learning. So without wasting time, let me give the opportunity for the speakers to tell us more about it. Thank you.
Okay, before we start with the mentioning of e-learning tools or techniques, so I'd like to define e-learning tools. So e-learning tools, these are digital resources that are used in the learning process. These are tools that are used by teachers or it can be used by both teachers and learners in creating Word documents, saving email text messages, and so forth and so on. So these tools are very helpful in the learning process as they provide a variety of e-learning options Okay, the first technique is Google Documents. Google Documents, this is an interactive web-based processor that allows teachers to produce or create text messages or Word documents. Okay, word processing documents and etc. These documents live on the cloud, whereby teachers can be able to create and share these documents. That's it from me.
Okay, I think I heard you have mentioned Word documents in your when you're speaking. So maybe can you tell us more about how can one use Word document?
Okay, in short, I would say one can use Google Documents to create text messages and Word documents. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. To continue with the tools and techniques of e-learning, there is also what we call Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a suite of applications created to help with productivity and completing of common tasks on a computer. Under Microsoft Office, there are 3 applications. The first one is PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. And another one is Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing platform which can be used through a desktop computer or a mobile app. Zoom allows users or participants to join virtual meeting rooms in order to communicate through video or audio.
To conclude, the purpose of using e-learning tools. The purpose of using e-learning tools or electronic learning tools are digital resources which helps employee and students and others access to specific training or knowledge by using electronic devices.
Okay, so I heard you. Maybe just one more last question before we close the discussion. So maybe can you tell us what are the devices that can be used to carry out again?
For now, there are many devices, but for now I will mention the common ones which we use. For example, we use a computer, a smartphone, and a laptop.
All right. Okay, thank you. This is the end of our second session. So stay tuned for the last session where we are going to summarize with the whole discussion. So thank you.